Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study IELTS speaking part 1. So the question is, describe something you are proud of yourself for. One thing I'm really proud of is rescuing a bunny. Once I was on my way home from evening tuitions when I spotted a fluffy brown rabbit snoring on a pavement. It was awfully cute. I touched his brow. He was feverish and seemed tired. My heart melted when I looked down his huge grey eyes. I took him home. I fed him warm pumpkin soup and strawberries. I made him sleep on my bed. Next morning, he was bouncing joyfully in my garden and was in high spirits. He only needed love and care. Since then, he lives with me and I take care of him. I lovingly call him Dude. So now why this is a band 9 answer? Because, see, firstly, it stated the answer that it clearly gave an answer that you are proud of rescuing a bunny. And then you added some interesting examples that you took him home, you made him a warm pumpkin soup, and then next morning he was jumping joyfully in your garden. He was back to being completely healthy. So sometimes animals only need a bit of affection. I lovingly call him Dude. You gave personal, engaging examples to make it memorable. So I think this is a band 9 answer because it's using a very amazing vocabulary. Awfully cute, feverish, joyfully. It's using a very outstanding vocabulary. Thirdly, fluency and coherence. The ideas flow naturally from one to another. There are no awkward pauses. Fourth part, that there are perfect grammar. There are no grammatical errors. So these points make it a band 9 answer. Now part 2. Now we'll move to part 2. Part 2 question is IELTS speaking test has 3 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3. There are 3 parts in IELTS speaking test. Part 1 is basically a very warm-up question. Then you move to part 2. Part 2 gives you a cue card. And then there's a part 3. Part 3 requires a longer answer. Part 3 tell us more about your pet. He has a deliciously brown color, which reminds me of foamy coffee you drink in the morning. He has wise grey eyes and gentle personality. He is not fussy at all. He eats everything which I offer. He loves strawberry jam and milk. Sometimes I make fresh carrot juice for him. In evenings, he plays near fountains and jumps on trees. He's very special because he takes my worries away. So now again I used very creative language. Deliciously brown color, which reminds me of foamy coffee. It's very creative and amusing to read. I added an emotional touch to the story. Wise grey eyes. Wise grey eyes. It sounds like you read in a children's book. It sounds so romantic. So don't be afraid to give emotional answers. Don't be afraid to tell a story. You don't have to always give a serious answer to score band 9. Don't be afraid to show your creative side. Don't be afraid to show your emotions. Like, add an emotional touch to the story. Like, he has gentle personality. You like him because of his soft fur, because of his delicious brown color, which reminds you of coffee. So these are very personal touch, which makes your answer memorable and stand out in view of examiner. So don't be afraid to show your personal and emotional side in the answers. Thank you. Now we will move to part 3. Part 3 requires a longer answer because it focuses on deeper question. Part 3 is, why do people like to keep pets? Pets take away your stress and troubles. Innocent animals have positive energy because they are innocent and have no agenda in life, unlike humans. As a result, they bring positive energy. They bring positive inner vibrations in our lives. Moreover, looking after them on a daily basis gives a sense of fulfillment and purpose, especially for individuals who live alone. Now, this is a band 9 answer. Because firstly, clearly, I already gave you a formula for writing a band 9 answer. Opinion, reason, and example. Firstly, you gave your opinion that why do people like to keep pets? You clearly stated your opinion that people people like to have pets because pets take away your stress. You clearly stated your opinion that pets take away your worries. That's why people like to keep pets. Now you gave a reason to justify your opinion. Opinion, reason, example. Now second part is give reasons to justify your opinion. The reason is why pets take away your stress. So now the question is why pets take away your stress. So now you will give reason to justify this opinion. The reason is animals have positive energy because they are innocent, naive, and have no agenda in life unlike humans. That is why they bring positive vibrations and peace in our lives. So this was a reason you gave to justify your opinion. Add a bit more detail. Moreover, looking after them on a daily basis gives a sense of purpose and peace, especially to individuals who live alone. You give a little more engaging detail. Write a signpost word. This moreover is a signpost word. Now I could just continue with looking after them, but I added a signpost word moreover. You can include, there are some words like moreover, like furthermore, in addition, on top of that. These are called linking words. You can, writing in linking words give an academic touch to your answers, and they just boost your answer to another level. They are the easiest way to get band 9 instantly because they give an academic and professional touch to your answers. So always use signpost words. Don't just write another sentence. Use a signpost word before writing a sentence, like moreover, furthermore, in addition, on top of that. Signpost words are very important in IELTS. Hope my lesson was helpful. A very humble request. Please write in comments that whether my lessons are engaging or helpful or not, because I put in a lot of hard work in writing these lessons and then uploading these videos. It requires a great amount of hard work. So I will really appreciate a little feedback in the comments that whether my lessons are engaging, nice, or boring. I will not mind if you will tell me the truth that whether my lessons are boring or hopefully not. So please tell me in the comments because I'm genuinely curious to know. मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ तो प्लीज़ आप लोग भी थोड़ा से सिर्फ 2 मिनट के लिए थोड़ा कमेंट्स में मुझे बता दें कि मेरे लेसन्स कैसे लग रहे हैं आप लोगों को. थैंक यू वेरी मच.